guys, this is Malinki. Welcome back to my channel Voice of Malinki. Now I am here with rapid fire question 19 and today's question is what is Holliday junction? And this is the rapid fire question series for PhD entrance exams and interviews. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you like my video, please do like, comment and share my video. So what is Holliday junction? Basically, homologous recombination occurs during meiosis to undergo gene exchange between paternal and maternal chromosomes. Holliday junction is formed during the process of homologous recombination when two double-stranded DNA molecules become separated into 4 strands in order to exchange segments. So these two are homologous chromosomes. One is the blue one, another is the red one. So these two are homologous chromosomes. One is the paternal chromosome, one is the maternal chromosome. Now we know that each chromosome contains a double-stranded DNA. Now the separation of two double-stranded DNA has taken place here. So we can see here that the separation of two double-stranded DNA has taken place here because they will now undergo homologous recombination. They will now undergo recombination. So here we can see that the Holliday junction is formed here. So the Holliday junction is formed in this place because here we can say that these 4 strands, these 4 DNA strands which are now separated, so they will exchange segments among themselves. So the blue one is exchanging the segment with the red one. In this way, their segments will be exchanged and this place the Holliday junction is there. So it is also involved in repair of double-strand breaks in DNA. In this type of DNA repair also, homologous recombination takes place and Holliday junction forms. So if any double-stranded break occurs in the DNA, that time also homologous recombination takes place and Holliday junction forms that will help to repair the DNA. Now the question DBT BET JRF 2012, it was Holliday junction is observed during mitosis. No, it is observed during meiosis. Interphase? No, because we know that the recombination and crossing over takes place in prophase phase. So it's not in interphase. C. Recombination? Yes. And D. DNA repair? Yes. So C and D both are correct because in the double-stranded break, that time also Holliday junction is observed during the DNA repair. But here we don't have that option. C and D both are correct. We don't have that option. We have to choose either C or D. So what you will choose? So the thing is, we have to choose C, recombination. Because yes, Holliday junction is observed during DNA repair, but that time also recombination takes place. So the priority should be there in recombination. So the answer will be C here.